Celebrating Hispanic Heritage Month, May River High School is hosting a special assembly filled with culture, music, and tradition.
We're so excited to be able to celebrate Hispanic Heritage Month with everyone here today.
It's great to see, everyone's culture, not just, Mexican, but Argentinian, Puerto Rican. So this is a great way to get everybody involved.
The event kicked off with a student performing a song in Spanish.
The name is La Llorona by Angel Aguilar. The song is passed down through generation of singers and artists going through, so I feel like that really represents how the Hispanic community comes and passes down certain traditions. The song represents loss and grief, but also like family and friends coming together to celebrate.
Two educators then shared their personal stories,
But as a proud Puerto Rican,
while students showcased their heritage through colorful gowns.
I'm wearing a quinceañera dress. The significance is a 15th birthday where we're kind of being seen as adults, but it's more of like having a big party to be with family and creating memories. 15 birthday parties are really common in Hispanic cultures. Almost everybody does it. Like, it's a big day for us.
The school's dance class performed a traditional Hispanic routine, followed by a performance from a local dance company.
You get to see the beautiful skirts expand and open, and the guys with their sombrero, they twirl around each other. It's really beautiful and amazing to watch. I think it was a spectacular experience for our students. It was a unique opportunity to have an authentic representation of the beauty and the spirit of Mexican dance culture.
And for some friendly competition, students played Jeopardy, answering questions all about Hispanic culture, history, and tradition. The entire assembly was organized by members of the school's student government. At May River High School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.